Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 21 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, hold the power key, and when you see boot options, you want to hold power off. This will bring up the window reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. And once rebooting, I'm just going to quickly describe this mode. What is it for? So if you have some kind of problems with your device, something that shouldn't be happening, you can boot your device into safe mode, and this will disable every application that you have installed. Only applications that will be accessible are the ones that came with the device. And from there you can use the device and see if whatever problem you're having still persists. If it does, then you basically have a clear info that whatever problem you had is caused by the phone itself, not something that you have installed or some kind of virus or whatever. But if it does not, then, well, it's probably some kind of application or something that has gotten on your device. Let me just quickly get to the phone. Now, obviously, you can already see that we are in the safe mode, based on the little watermark right there, safe mode. And obviously, you can also see that widgets are disabled, they cannot start. So every application that has been installed, every application that has been installed will be grayed out, but I don't actually have any application installed. So everything that you see right here is everything that comes with the device, which also means that I can turn on every single app that is right here. But once you're done with the mode, the safe mode, what you want to do is hold power key once more, and this time around select restart. And when the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. So everything will start functioning normally again. And there we go, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.